Alright guys, if your Xbox is not working and it does this, then it turns right back off. And people are saying it's the power supply. It's not. See, first you'll need to take it off. And I'll prove it too. It's not the power supply. It's the crappy Xbox One. Prefer to get PS4. Alright. See, it's your Xbox, it's not always your Xbox. It's sometimes the power supply. So here I got 360 power supply. And Xbox One power supply. Alright. We're just gonna connect this to the wall. I'm doing that right now. Alright. See, it's just turn on and everything. I got this on, what's it called? On Walmart website. I prefer you to get a Microsoft version. Alright. See this? It's supposed to turn green when you connect it to the Xbox. Alright, see this? There's the extreme one. Hear that? Hear that? Alright. Hear that noise? Yeah. It's from the Xbox One power supply, because it's pretty crappy. Yeah, it's pretty crappy. They see how it's green. Tell me this is green. See, that's what, when it's green or white, whatever, for your power supply, and you connect your 60 or a different power supply, that means there's nothing wrong with your power supply. It's your Xbox. Yeah, I mean, they don't turn on right here. See that? See that? It's green. Can't move it. You see, you connect it over here. See, you connect it over here. It's gonna see, yeah, it's green. So that proves that tells you if it's your power supply or it's your Xbox. Alright, bye, like, and subscribe.